So basics of calculating squares, numbers ending in zeros, not zeros, numbers ending in fives. Please pay attention, everyone. That is, suppose we are supposed to find the square of 15 or 25 or let's say 35 or maybe 45. What should be done? Okay, any number that is ending in 5, we can use this trick. All right, any number that is ending in 5. Ending in 5 means the last digit or the unit digit is 5. That's it. So we can have a number as 35. We can have the number as 95. We can have the number as 105. Because in all of these cases, the last digit is 5. So if you have a number like this, please understand the last two digits are 25. The last two digits are 25. The last two digits are 25. Clear? The last two digits are 25. Next, you see here you have 1. Add 1 to it. Adding 1, you will get 2. Always you have to add 1. Add 1, you get 2. What is 2 into 1? 2. So 15 square is 225. Again, I'm repeating again. Please pay attention. You have 2 here. Add 1, you get 3. What is 3 into 2? 6. So this becomes 625. Again, I'll repeat for the next question. Please pay attention. You have 3. Add 1, you get 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So this becomes 1225. Next, you have 4. Plus 1 is 5. 5 into 4, you get 20. This is 2025. I hope you are following this. If not, please interrupt and ask. I'll explain this again. No worries. If yes, then please type in the answer for 55 square, 65 square, 75 square, and 85 square. Please do it. What about 55? You know the last two digits are 25. Then you see here 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 3025. 65, again it is 25. Then you have 6 here. 7 into 6 is 42. Next, you have 25 here. Then this is 7 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. Please tell me what would be the answer for the last one. Please type for the last one. Quickly, everyone. Chaya, the sessions are so planned that we would be doing PYQs plus practice question mixed. But with every topic, we'll try to wrap up the PYQs as well. All right. Please type for 85 square, everyone. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So we have this as 25. And then we have 8 into 9. 9 8 the 72. Please tell me for 95 square. 95 is 25 and then you have 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 into 9 is 90. Right? One more. Let's do one more. Please tell me for 105. 105. Wonderful. So we have this as 25. And then 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 10 is 110. So I feel, see, these are the values that are needed in a question. 95 square or 75 square, 65 square. So I feel you are able to do with these type of questions. No worries here. Let's move forward and let's try to do certain other squares as well. Let's say 49 square or even 51 square or 47 square or maybe 39 square. What could be the trick here? All right. Shall we start? Yes or a no in the chat box. Just type Y. Y is equivalent of saying yes, sir, or whatever. Just type Y. Okay. Now, please understand, for doing questions for, let's say, 50 or 47 or any number lesser than 50, there are two reference points that we should remember. First reference point is 50. And if we're looking at numbers lesser than 50, so how less? How less? All right. How much less? The second reference pointer is 25. And since we are doing questions which are numbers which are in the range of 25 to 50. So we would be looking at squares of numbers from 25 to 50. Clear? So how more from 25? So we are looking at numbers between 25 to 50. I hope you are following this. Now, let's talk about 49 square. Please pay attention. This will always result in a 4-digit number. Okay? Talking about till 99 square, you'll always get a value which is 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. I hope this is clear. All right. Now, come back to this. Read reference point 1. How less? So how much less is 49 from 50? 50 minus 49. How much is it? How less? It is 1 less. Please do the square of 1. What is the square of 1? 0, 1. So these last two blocks are related with reference number 1. The first two blocks are related with reference number 2. So we do it as 50 minus 49, 1. The square of 1 is 0, 1. Now, reference 2. How much is 49 more than 25? So 25 plus what is equal to 49? How much is it more than 49? So 25 plus 24 is 49. So write here 24. Again, I'm repeating this with another example. So please pay attention. If you have any problem understanding this, please pay attention. The other question. 48 square. Again, it will result in a 4-digit number. The last 2 digits are related to reference 1. The first 2 digits are related to reference number 2. Read reference number 1. Reference 50, how less? So 50 minus 48, it is 2 less. And what is the square of 2? 4. So you'll write it as 0, 4. So this becomes 0, 4. And for reference number 2, you know it is how much more than 25? So 25 plus 23 is 48. So you write here 23. We'll do one more. 47 square. How much is it less than 50? It is 50 minus 47, which is 3. It is 3 less. What is the square of 3? It is 9. So last 2 digits are filled as 9. Then 47, how much it is more than 25? 25 plus 22 is 47. So it is plus of 2. Sorry, 22. Clear? Now please tell me for 46 square, everyone. I know you would be able to do this on your own. Please tell me the resultant for 46. How much is it less? It is 4 less. So 4 square is 16. And how much is it more than 25? It is 21 more than 25. Same goes for 45 square. Although if you do 45 square, you know it is ending in 5. So it is 25 and 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 fours are 20. 2025. But let's do it with this method. 50 minus 45. 5 less. What is the square of 5? 25. So last two digits are 25. Then how much is it more than 25? It is 20 more. Clear? 2116, 2116. I hope that is clear. And then 2025. Very good. I hope all of you are following this. Any doubt? Shall we proceed further with 44 square? Please tell me what is the value for 44 square. It is 6 less. What is the square of 6? 36. How much it is more than 25? It is 19 more. On a similar note, please tell me for 43 square. 43 and 57 less. Square of 7 is 49. Now, how much it is more than 25? It is 18 more. What about 42 square? 42 is 8 less. 8 square is 64. So last two digits are 64. And then how much it is more? It is 17 more than 25. Next, what about 41? 9 less, so 81. And then it is 16. I hope you are following up to 41. Any doubt? All good? Now, please be attentive for 40. Please be attentive for 40 because I'll tell you the reason. When we look at 40, please pay attention. Although the answer is pretty simple, you know the answer. What is the answer? 40 square is 1600. But let's use this method to get to the resultant for 40. And therefore, we would be using that method to get to other values as well. So 50 and 40, it is 10 less. Square of 10 is 100. But we are only supposed to look at the last two digits. Here we have a 3-digit number. So what we'll do, we'll write 100. So these two positions are exactly 00, but we don't know about this position. So we have taken 1 as carried forward. Now, how much is 25, 40 more than 25? 40 is 15 more. So you write here 15. Now this is actually 1600. I hope you are following this. On a similar note, let's do it for 41 square. Sorry, not 41, 39 square. 41 we have done. 39. How much it is lesser than 50? It is 11 lesser than 50. 11 square is 121. So we write it as 121. This will leave. Then we look at how much is 39 more than 25. It is 14 more. So this becomes 1521. I hope you are following this. Any doubt, any questions here, anything? All good? Clear? Please give me a confirmation quickly, everyone. In the chat box, all of you, those who are present in the meeting, kindly be active in the chat box. All right. Now, okay, let's do it on a fresh page. Now we are looking at numbers between 51 or between 50 to 75 maybe. So first reference point would be again 50. How much more? And the second reference is again from 25. And since these numbers are beyond 50, so it will also be how more. I hope this is clear. Only difference is how less, and here we have how more. It is going to be how more because we are looking at numbers which are greater than 50. For example, 51. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last two digits are related to reference 1. The first two digits are related to reference number 2. You tell me, how much is 51 more than 50? It is 1 more. What is the square of 1? 0, 1. How much it is 51? How much it is more than 25? It is 26 more. Similarly, 52 square. It is 2 more. What is the square of 2? 4. And then we have how much it is? 27 more than 25. Next, 53 square. It is 3 more than 50. What is the square of 3? 9. So this is 0, 9. And then here we have how much it is more than 25? It is 28 more than 25. Let's do it for 54. Please tell me for 54 quickly, all of you. 54. What should be the correct answer? You know the reference point. It is 4 more, so this is 16. And how much it is more than 25? It is 29. 2916. Very good, very good. Nand, Sachin, Murshid, Mansi, and the others as well. Good. Great. 29, and this is 16. Okay, please tell me for 55. You have two methods, 55. One of them says this is 25 and this is 5 into 6, 30. Or you can do it as 5 more. So 5 more is 25. And then we could look at it, how more it is from 25. It is 30 more. So we'll do last question, that is 61 square. What should be the value for 61 square? Please tell me if you are able to do this. 61 square. 61, none, 61. It is 11 more. 11 more. So square of 11. Square of 11. See, 61 is actually 11 more. Square of 11 is 121. So we write it as 121. Now, how much it is more than 25? If you look at it, it is 36 more. So this is 3721. You can cross check 61 square, 3721. The same process that we used here in the last two questions of 40 and 39. On a similar note, if you're having difficulty here, please do one more so that you don't find it difficult. Do it, everyone. It is 12 more. 12 square is 144. Please do it. So we write this as 144. Then how much more? It is 37 more than 25. So this becomes 3844. 3844. 3844. Wonderful. I hope you are following this, all of you. All right. Now, there are other tricks as well. If we talk about let's say from 100. But I'd not go into that as of now, because you might feel that too many concepts are being done on first day. But let's just give you an idea. 99, let's say 99 square. So you take it with reference to 100. How much it is lesser than 100? 1 less. So square of 1 is 0, 1. And 1 that is less, you subtract from 99. So this becomes 98. We'll do one more. Let's say 97 square or 98 square. It is 2 less. So 0, 4. And 98 minus 2 is 96. Then we have 97 square. 3 less. So it is 0, 9. And 3 less from here is 94. I hope you are following this. Clear? So that is how you proceed with 100. Values lesser than 100 as well. Values more than 100 as well. Another rule. But ideally, what I need is you should be memorizing squares from 1 to 25. That is mandatory. How you are supposed to do it, I've already told you. Also, for your reference, I would be sharing this file as well with you all. Next, these are the cube segment that you should be memorizing. For your reference, I'll also be sharing the file with you. But as I said, we start on 2nd of July, right? The login credentials and everything will be provided to you on 1st of July. And you can access the classes as well as the class recordings on that portal itself. All right. With this, we come to the end of the conclusion session. If you have any questions, please ask. Anything you want to ask, please. I'm open to questions. Anyone? All good? All of you are comfortable with 9 to 11 timing? If you miss out on certain sessions, we would be giving you recording, no worries. All right. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thanks for attending.